Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can freeze rows and columns in your sheets and tables on LibreOffice Calculator. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your spreadsheet or sheet on LibreOffice Writer and you will LibreOffice Calculator, and you will find the freeze row and columns option here in the top left under view. So what you want to do, guys, is select freeze rows and columns here. Of course, select the given row first, so I will go with that row here, select view, choose freeze rows and columns, or you can also freeze specific cells or freeze the first column, first row, and so on and so forth. So if I, for example, select, I don't know, the first column here and select freeze cells and freeze first column, it would look like this. So with that line here, for example. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.